Hey guys, Martin with Impress Computers, and we have another custom build. So we had a customer and he paid online. He went through, so he just came in and brought in all the parts and already paid and ready to go. So we just finished the build. We're gonna put it all together. It's got an NZXT, Mini ITX case with an Asus ROG motherboard. It's an i7. This is a limited edition 8th generation. This is the 8086K. This is a 4 gigahertz processor by standard clock speed. So it's got a 1070 super clock as well on that 8 gigs, and then 16 gigs of RAM. This is a pretty fast unit and very quiet. It's very powerful, and you know, if you go online and you check our website on the new custom builds, we can get you up and running, or you can give us a call at 281-647-9977. Thank you.